Welcome back, you guys. We are now in La Bufadora.
Ano ba yung nasa kilikili ko?
Kayo.
Kabila.
Kayo.
Amoy inihaw na pusit.
Isda. Fish.
We are Mexican islands. Remember I told you guys about us? This is the place. And we say this for the side. And the orange umbrella, okay?
Some of the fake ones. They can show you the 925 and something fake. Now take a look here, amigos. Color, as you see, really similar. Nitric acid, and take a look at the reaction. See? There is no way around it, guys. Fake turns green really fast. Now, natural water, stop the reaction. What's gonna happen with the pieces, mis amigos? The real one, white stain, citrus stain. That's fine, easy to polish. The other one over there, look. Did you remember the silver color? Take a look, mis amigos. See right there? It's gone underneath, copper. Careful with this kind of material. Now this one over here, look. Okay. Don't forget the phone, guys. You know, it's not fair to pay for silver and take copper back home. That's why, well, you need to see this before you get the cerveza. Have fun, guys. If you do like silver, please remember my store later. As you can see.
Alright, guys. Wash your strip on the way in. Alright, everyone. Welcome to Havana Banana. Coconut pina coladas, and they also have oysters, and they have a restaurant on the second floor. Restroom here is included for you too. So you have three options for the restroom. The candy shop on your way back, Havana Banana on the second floor, and then to this restaurant. Okay, don't forget to visit it. This is where you'll find the oysters too. Okay?
Nag-restroom si Daddy dito sa Havana Banana. Hindi na kami kakain dito kasi meron na kaming free lunch included sa tour namin. So we're just gonna grab that. And besides, we have our own burritos na galing na sa ship. So hindi pa kami gutom, busog pa kami. We had heavy breakfast anyway. Set? How was it? American standard? No? Mapanghe?
Medyo.
May tubig? May amenities? Hindi, wala.
Doon ka sa barko.
Ah, okay. Nahugas kang kamay. May sabon.
Meron lang.
May tissue.
Meron.
That's good. Walang tide. Ayaw, low tide. That's the Bufadora. Kung malakas ang hangin, mataas. Ayun lang. Hina eh. Ayun, sa gitna. Kita ma? Ayun, kita ma? Dalawa. There's a dolphin. Ay, nakita mo yun? Dumaib. Ayun oh, nakakain siya oh. Daming pelican. Ang hina, no? Dad, sabihin mo nasaan ka?
Hawaii.
Hindi eh.
I thought you were in Hawaii.
La Bufadora, Mexico.
Ensenada.
Ensenada.
Kita mo yung rock up purple. Ang dami ng white na poop ng seagulls.
Apop ba yun? Kala ko snow. Sana may dumapong pelican or seagull. Ba't sila nagpo-pop doon? The playroom. Hi guys! We're here in Bufadora and we are stopping by to take our free lunch that is included in the trip. Ikaw na! Wala na, yan na. So here it is guys. You have a choice if you want shrimp taco or fish taco, and you can have both if you want. So if you want all shrimp, you can have 2 shrimps, or you can have 2 fish, or you can have 1 shrimp and 1 fish. Let's eat. Sarap. Sarap. It's good. This is mine. You enjoy it, Dad? Did you enjoy your lunch?
Yeah, fish taco is good.
I didn't know that was $2 each.
Fish taco $2. Lobster taco $10.
Where are we going?
Back to the ship.
Back to the ship now. It's now 3:50 and that's the call time. So there's Leslie and you see the line going back to the bus.
Ensenada. See you again next time.